How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1956 Chevy, done in a royal blue metallic and white two-tone. Super cool car. Very nice paint. Car had a complete frame-off restoration a few years back. All the grill, all the moldings around the grill. Excellent, excellent. They're all new. Bumpers have all been re-chromed. New hood jet. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got all the original side trim on it. All been polished. Excellent condition. All the glass has been replaced. Just a super nice car. Real solid car underneath, you'll see in the pictures. The taillight housings have all been replaced. Rear bumper, been re-chromed. All the panel fitments, very nice. This is a 210. Got a lot of nice upgrades. It's got a 327 in it, aluminum intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel or Holly 4-barrel carb on it, vintage AC and heat, power disc brakes, aluminum radiator. It's got power steering. It's got the overdrive automatic trans. It's updated electric wipers. I mean, this is a car you can just get in, cruise, drive anywhere you want to go. Go to all the shows, and all new interior in it. Got tilt column, I did it. Shows 3,600 miles on it. I believe that's since restoration. Headliner's all real nice. All the interior's new. Got rear seat belts. It's got the front seat belts with shoulder strap. The jams all look nice. Nice set of 17-inch chrome American wheels. It's got a 10-bolt rear end in it. All inside the trunk's nice. Factory spare, jack's all there. It's just a cool car. The blue and white two-tone interior looks nice. It's got a retro stereo with the iPod capability and Bluetooth. You can see the vintage air AC vents are all mounted nice under the dash. All the glass was smoke tinted on the sides. This thing just purrs like a kitten. It's got like factory exhaust manifolds and some nice duals all the way out the back. So it's just a cool car right there. Good looking color combination on it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Just a cool car right there. Good looking. All the options, all nice upgrades. A lot of traffic out here today. Have a great day, folks.